Hello everyone, welcome to week 10 of my 100-week art challenge. My name is Michael, and through this 100-week art challenge, I'm exploring my personal artistic voice. I also document and share this journey in my videos. This week I did my first ever acrylic painting on this 8" by 8" canvas. It took me about 1.5 hours. I think I could have made better color and composition choices, but overall I'm happy with how it turned out, especially because this is one of my first attempts at abstract art. I took a couple of online classes on acrylic painting this week, and then spent an entire afternoon in a store purchasing painting supplies. Here is some footage of my big art supply trip. If you'd like to see my painting time-lapse, please skip to later of the video. Yes, all of these painting supplies cost me $650. I only bought essential supplies and minimum primary colors. Still, it was almost as expensive as my iPad Pro. Granted, I bought the best quality artist-grade colors and mediums. I was surprised by how expensive they were. I've been painting exclusively digitally for so long and always had the entire color spectrum right at my fingertips for no cost. I forgot painting supplies actually cost money, and it's hard to imagine how much it will cost when I move on to bigger and more complicated paintings down the road. Nonetheless, I got canvases, brushes, razor blades, water bucket, palette paper, brush cleaner and restorer, spray bottle, fluid acrylic paints, heavy body acrylic paints, soap, tape, palette seal, acrylic retarder, molding paste, gloss and matte gel, varnish, art gesso, gloss and matte medium, glazing liquid, glass jar, more canvases, and a small table easel. I also visited a few galleries. Seeing the amazing paintings hanging in beautiful spaces really got me inspired. Here is the painting time-lapse of my little acrylic painting. I didn't think too much while painting it. Instead, after putting down a few strokes, I tried to be expressive and let the painting guide me. I only used one brush and a small palette knife for the entire painting. I hope you've enjoyed what I had done during the 10th week of my 100-week art challenge. I'm excited to keep painting with acrylic and see what I will come up with next week. Please give this video a like and a comment below with any questions or advice. To follow the journey of me finding my personal artistic voice through this 100-week art challenge, please subscribe to my channel. Please also share this video to people who might benefit from my experience and exploration. Thank you and have a wonderful one. I will see you next week.